Okay, so here I have a CD101 PID controller from Shure Electronics, and I'm going to show you an issue that I'm having with this particular model of PID controller. But before I can do that, I have to apply power. So I'll switch on the AC power, and you can see that I've got it set for degrees Celsius display and K-type thermocouple input. So now the PID controller is running, and you can see that it's indicating 22 degrees Celsius temperature, which is the temperature. I just have the thermocouple sitting here on the bench, so that's the room temperature here. And I've got the set point set to 25 degrees Celsius, which is just above the ambient temperature, and you can see that the output 1 light is flashing. You can also see I've connected an LED to the output 1 terminals on the back of the controller, so every time the output 1 light flashes, the LED flashes as well. Now the issue I'm having is that if I put the PID controller into stop mode, what should happen is, according to the manual, it should disable the outputs and alarms. So let's see what happens. I'll go ahead and hold down the run stop button for a couple seconds. And you can see that now the display is indicating stop, so the PID controller should be in stop mode. However, you can see that the output 1 light and the LED are still flashing. So even though the PID controller is in stop mode, it's continuing to cycle the outputs, which I don't think that's what's supposed to happen in this mode. So I'm not sure why it's continuing to cycle the outputs, but my understanding is that in this mode the output should be off. And the reason this might be an issue is that if you had this PID controller connected to something like a solid-state relay, and that was controlling, say a heater, for example, ideally what you'd like to be able to do is put the controller into stop mode, and the heater would stop operating. So in this particular case, because stop is not functional, you actually have to remove power from the PID controller in order to disable the outputs. So that's the issue I'm having, and maybe there's a setting or something that can be changed, but at this point I'm not sure, and I'm going to try to contact Shure Electronics support and see what we can figure out.